Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will guide you about area chart 100, which means that you will view all the area chart in the full height and width. In my previous video tutorial, I have already explained you about the simple area chart, and now we are going to learn area chart 100. Sorry, not to server. Go to toolbox, search for chart, drag it over here and set its dimension. Now search here for series, click here, then here. This is the first series. Change its name into any name or any convention you want to use. I am going to use S1 and then change it column type, chart type to stack 100, stack area 100. Okay, now add another series, change its name to S2 and change its type to stacked area 100. Add another, change its name to S3 and it's to stack area 100. Now we have three series. Click OK. Go to the form. First of all, we will add the title. So for title you have to name the chart 1 dot titles dot add and in double quotation add the name stack area 100 chart. Now when we will execute, we will preview the name like here. Now for the first, we call the name chart 1 dot series here the name of the series S1 dot points dot add XY. So first parameter is the x-axis and the second is y-axis. For x-axis I will say it's 1 comma, and for the y-axis the value is 0. I will replicate that. Day 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 value is 10, 20, 30, 10, 0. Now execute. It shows nothing. Okay, expect of error because it's a 100% chart, so we can only preview it when we have multiple series like this. Now I will replicate the code and change it to S2. Okay, this is S2. Now execute. Still we have the error. Okay, you can preview that S2 and S3 must be aligned to perform a functionality. Okay, so we have to add all those series 3. Now execute. Okay, so now we have the answer. It's same because a series 1 2 3 are same on each point. Now I am going to change that. All those started from 0 and 1 2 3 and 3 2 1. Okay, it should be 2 5 4 5 6 8 7 6 and then all those 0. So here is the result. Check for series 1. It's started from 0. Okay, then it goes to 10 here, and then it goes to across 30, and the other is like this. So you can preview that as 100%. Okay, so the value from here to here is count as a percentage value, and you are wanted to show the value on each point, then you have to make sure that series 1 sorry dot label uh, is show as label is equal true, and now execute, and you are previewing the value in percentage as 33 16 point and etc etc. You can do that with all others. Rename into S2 and S3. Now execute, and you will observe the values like this in percentages, because all those started from 0, so it's divided into 3 equal parts. But what if it started from 1 2 and 3? Now the percentage gets changed, and it says 16 for 1, it's for 2, and it's for 3. Okay, so the percentages get changed and vary according to the values you will assign to stacked area 100 chart. I hope this is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more amazing video tutorials on charting in C# Windows application. Take care.